Grabe, Ace of Wands energy, Two of Coins, ayan 'no, parang meron ditong hindi mapakali 'no, parang may energy rito 'no, na parang dahil sa sobrang taas at tumataas pa lalo yung emotions and feelings niya 'no, parang may energy rito na parang, gusto niya rito na magmadali, parang gano'n yung klase ng energy, parang may energy rito na parang nagpa-panic na pero hindi naman yung energy ng nababaliw ha. Pero alamin pa natin more kung ano pa yun. Okay. This person right here could be observing you from afar, maybe spying on you. Okay, let's see more. So let us see. What is this? Oh, I think this person right here, merong conflict between you guys or there's something here na parang block or naka-block dito. Let's see more. Huh? And I think that's causing the imbalance of this connection. Let me see. Altogether, let's figure out what is this. Pero yung energy niya, no, sa nasa-sense ko here, parang, yeah, no? I'm hearing that song. Thank you, spirits, no, for that hint. Okay. So, nananabig itong aking puso. Yan. Yeah. That's the song coming from Kailangan Kita Ngayon at Kailanman. Diba? So, yan. Nananabig itong aking puso. Yan. Parang, yeah, kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, parang kanina nagpapanik na, yeah, parang nagpupumiglas kind of thing, no? Yeah, maybe this person right here really wants to see you. Ganong klase ng energy. Let's see what's happening here. Kailangan ka niya ngayon at kailanman. Beautiful song, isn't it? Oh, the Moon and the Hermit. Oh, a lot of major arcanas right in here. We've got three already. We have the Death, the Moon, and the Hermit energy. Four of Coins in reverse. Center ng reading ninyo, guys. Okay? I can see eyes watching right in here with the World card energy. Let me see more. Okay. 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 So from the looks of it mga babes 'no, okey, dito sa aking nakikita rito 'no, takot itong tao na 'to na gawin ito dati ha or noon, takot siyang gawin ito dati or noon 'no, pero ngayon hindi na, 'yan 'no. Uulitin ko lang hindi ako, mga babes 'no, magbibigay ng time period kasi iba-iba talaga 'no, ang energies na nahahagip natin kasi puwedeng sa iba nangyari na po ito, sa iba ay nangyayari na ngayon, sa iba ay mangyayari pa lang na pero gayunpaman I'm seeing na itong tao na 'to 'no, okey, etong energy na 'to na kumo-connect sa inyo 'no, nakikita ko rito 'no na hindi na siya takot ritong gawin ito. Ngayon, okay. At malinaw na hindi siya sa inyo natatakot 'no, but there's this particular situation that he or she is facing right now and it looks like nakikita ko siya rito 'no, full of strength ngayon 'no. Possible na dati 'no, nagpapakita siya rito ng weaknesses at nakikita natin dito 'no, na posibleng yun ay bagay na kaniyang na-conquer na. So before we dive more sa inyong reading, let me just make bate everyone muna. Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome newbies, new subscribers, returning Istam buyers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang love at support for me. At kung hindi mo pa alam, mahal, mayroon pa tayong main channel ang The High Priestess. Ang link niyan down below sa description box ng reading na ito. Kaya naman, if interested, just click that link para kayo mapunta there. At araw-araw nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs doon. At yun nga, no? Okay, kagaya ng binanggit ko, timeless tayo dito, ha? At syempre, lahat may free will. Like, it's up to you if you want to claim the messages at gawin ninyong guidance or hindi, no? But now, I do see your person, Queen of Pentacles energy. Your person is embodying the Hermit energy. Okay? And this is your ex-lover. Okay? So, nakita natin dito mga babes, no, na itong person na to, no, okay, nakita ko rito, no, na ngayon lang siya rito kikilos at gagalaw after the separation, no. And it's been already a decade to some of you, yeah. Yung iba naman, no, possible na sobrang tagal na talaga, like ilang taon na, no. Yung iba nagulat ako dekada talaga, ha. At yung iba naman, no, pwedeng ilang buwan. Just take how this resonates. So, basta after the breakup, after the separation with the death card energy, no, Ace of Coins, ngayon pa lang siya rito gagawa ng paraan, no, ng pagkilos, paggalaw, no? With the moon card energy, no, this person right here, takot siyang gawin itong bagay na to noon, no? Pero alam niyang sana noon niya pa dapat ginawa. Alin ba yun, Miss Yan? Ang paglapit sa inyo, no? Kasi mga babes, no, sumasagi lalo na sa kanyang isipan, no, kamakailan lamang, no, at makailang gabi na rin, no? Okay? Ito kasi kayo with the Queen of Coins energy, lahat tayong gender dito. Siya yung hermit, no? What if hinihintay niya pa ako? At ang sinasabi niyang niya ay walang iba kundi ikaw, sweetheart, nanonood ngayon, nakikinig, no, gamit ang anumang gadget, no, na gamit mo. Hando po notebook, cellphone, okay? Laptop, computer, kung ano man yung gamit ninyo, desktop, okay? This person right here, what if hinihintay mo pa daw siya? What if, okay? Meron pa siyang babalikan. What if mahal mo pa siya? Okay. So even though this person here feels like this is already matagal na, no? This is already late na, no? Nakita ko rito na ngayon pa lang natatanggal ang takot niya. Yan, no? This person really wants to come to you. This person really wants to come forward to you. This person really wants, okay, us, no? And he or she is pertaining sa kanya at ikaw, us, kayo. Okay? So this person wants you guys, no, to be together. And even though it's already a decade ago, it's already uh, something here na super tagal na nakita natin dito, no, na itong person na to, no, is someone na, okay, maaring nagbabakasakali, no? Na what if nga naman mahal mo pa siya? What if nga naman naghihintay ka pa? So this person, matagal rin siya, no, na nag-hold back dito. This person here, no, didn't call you guys, didn't text you guys, no, and this person right here, Six of Cups energy, someone who truly understands the meaning of your connection. And I do feel like that this person right here really wants a brand new start with you guys kahit na may mga mata pang nakatingin sa kanya. Okay? Like what I've said, I'm seeing eyes right in here. Maaring may mga taong disapprove sa inyong connection. May mga taong posibleng hindi sila boto sa inyo, no, for this person. Pero who cares, okay? Parang ganun yung energy ng person ninyo, no? So, yeah, I'm seeing right here, no, na maraming taon na rin yung lumipas, no? And you even forgotten about this person here. Others of you, yes, you still have feelings for him or her. Others of you, yes, you're still waiting for this person here, no? At nafe-feel niya yon, no? Na nahahagip yun ng kanyang energy, 'no, and this person right here, actually yun yung tumawag sa kanya. Okay, that kind of spiritual connection, no? Others call it telepathy, no? Pero parang ganun na rin, no? It's like a telepathic communication, no? Na na-receive ng person ninyo, no? That's why, even though sobrang tagal na ng panahon na lumipas, no? This person here, lalapit na siya sa iyo. Kasi nga naman, paano kung mahal mo pa siya? Kasi nga naman, paano kung may babalikan pa pala siya? Kasi nga naman, paano kung puwede pa kayo? Yan, 'no? So, this person right here, Four of Coins energy in reverse, I'm not holding back anymore. I'm seeing his or her one foot stepping forward and another foot, 'no, eh, na talagang, gumagawa na rito ng mga hakbang papunta sa inyo. I do see that this person right here really sees you as a treasure. Okay, kahit na may mga tao pa ritong humusga, bakit babalik siya sa inyo, bakit kayo pa, blah, 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 no, with this eyes right in here, no, na hindi naniniwala sa connection ninyo, no, who cares though, this person mo is pabalik na sa'yo, no. So with the Eight of Cups energy, this person is leaving the fears behind, iniiwan niya na rin lahat ng mga weaknesses niya behind, no, and ready to fight for this connection, okay? Knight of Cups ang ini-embodies niyang energy together with the Five of Swords. An energy right here of I'm moving forward, I'm gonna pursue collective, ipupursu niya daw kayo rito, I'm gonna offer this big, yan, mas malaki pa sa mukha niya na Ace of Cups. Meaning to say, this person now truly understands the meaning of your connection and truly understands, okay, ang kanya ritong tunay na feelings, emotions for you. So I do see that this person right here is someone, no, na alam niyang kailangan niyang mag-heal at alam niya, no, na ang tanging makapagpapagaling sa kanya ay hindi ang kung sino mang doktor, no. Okay? Kasi ang nakikita niya ritong tanging makakapagpagaling sa kanya ritong sugatang puso ay walang iba kundi ang Four of Swords energy, kayo. Yan. Ikaw, yung tinutukoy niya rito, makakapagpagaling rito ng sugatan niyang puso. Page of Wands energy right in here, no? Okay. Three of Wands energy. So I do see this person right here is now, okay, on board na. Nakasakay na siya rito. This person right here is someone, no, na papaliitin niya rito, no, ang gap ninyo, especially emotionally, no, and this person right here will now be brave enough to tell you how he or she truly feels about you, even though it's sobrang tagal na simula nang huli kayo ritong nagkahiwalay, no. I do see Page of Wands energy. This person right here is someone who will definitely pursue you, and I do see that this person right here still believes, no. Yeah. 'Di ba? Kasabay nung pagkakasabi ko na yun, yung pagkarinig natin ng awitin na, I still believe someday you and me will find ourselves in love again. You know? So I do see that this person still believes that you're still for, okay, each other, that you're still destined, that you belong with each other, and I think yun yung nagpapalakas ng kanya ritong loob, no? Actually, this person here, in his or her dreams, you keep on popping out, okay? You're calling his or her name for so many times, and I do see that this person really feels your energy, okay? So, I'm really picking up, no? Ito ay para dun sa mga energies that you're still quietly waiting for your person right here to come back, no? And your person right here is hearing your voice. Yeah, okay? And your person is already on board na, no? And OTW na sa inyo. So, hindi na siya takot gawin itong bagay na 'to. Lalapit na siya sa inyo. Hindi siya natatakot sa inyo, no? Kasi ngayon mas takot na siya rito na tuluyan kayong mawala sa buhay niya. Yeah, for the initials right here, no, we have here letter P, the letter T, the letter S. We also have here the letter G, and dito rin ang letter K. Mawawala ba ang letter E? Of course, nandito rin ang letter I. And last but not the least, the letter A. So yeah, that's all the messages right in here. And by the way, I'm seeing in my mind right now, no, that you could be black hair, okay? Or maybe this person here could be black hair. It's naturally black hair, okay? So that might be one of the clues and signs right in here, okay? Or maybe kayo to na parang pag nagpapakulay kayo ng buhok, no, parang lagi pa rin kayong bumabalik sa maganda pa rin talaga yung black hair. Parang may ganong klase ng energy. So yeah, just take only what resonates, guys. Your person right here na is OTW na. Definitely gusto niya talaga dito to come to you. So yeah, again, I'm Mariana Ani for the girls and Yana din na for the boys. Sarang hey, love and light. And